We've seen good games today. I'm sure a lot of people did not expect the last game to be as close as... Stopper Paranaque. Manalang open at the elbow. Manalang has been taking more jumpers.
Not just to take the load off dito kay Jello Razon, kundi para pumuntos din kung kinakailangan.
Ibanez, well, he's a guy that Coach Buds Reyes on
hindi not bad for a Robin to Paolo last time. 21 points, 4 out of 11 from 3. Another basket right here para sa Paranaque. Outside, I mean, perimeter is pretty much his specialty.
Something that you never want to see happen. He also started that last game against Valenzuela. Coach Mike Sagigit has been giving him a lot of trust in that starting unit. But talking about trust, what about Andre Dada? Left Ibanez trying to go down low to Paulo Hubalde. Hubalde met by the defense on the baseline. Unfortunately, the help wasn't present.
Yeah, they're gonna come out Philip.
Andre Dada closed out hard by Paulo Castro. Hernandez, the drop step, finishing off the glass. Marquis will take it from the outside. That's off to the left. Rebound to Duba. He really has been a fierce rebounder all these years. And he gets the stick back. He gone throughout his career. Hindi pa rin nawawala yung laban niya on the glass as Paulo Hubalde from the great beyond.
Ang gusto mo dyan, tinitira with confidence, just like this one right here. Man!
Paulo Hubalde did have a career night.
Again, live with where you are now. You're 4-1.
Sarao on to Duba, and he rises and scores. Looking at how this play will materialize. Bounce pass, Hernandez. Nice fake. And one opportunity for Tristan Big Boy Hernandez. No opportunity recognized. Uduba. JP Sarawa. Spin, crafty move right there.
Post, low post, mid post, anywhere. He's got that move.
Even a deadly 15 to 18 foot jumper. But talking about deadly jumpers, John Carandang has shown us that he can hit. Razon triggers into Villanueva. Checks his feet, sets, fires, and scores.
That'll be just a long two.
For Ruaya. Ruaya, the drive, stripped by Carandang. Montero ahead of the pack. Joshua Montero all the way.
Life turnovers.
Guyas. 0 out of 2, but Marquis, look at him sky for that offensive rebound. Push shot. You leave him that much space.
Simula ng production para dito sa team mo.
Hernandez gets the great shovel pass from the Aquaman.
You gotta run it quick the other end habang hindi nakaset up ang defense.
Keith Pido gets past the D. Marquis inside for 2. Ball is on the right side. Keith Pido working two-man game with Marquis. Manalang for 3. Swishes it through. I'm glad you mentioned that, Coach, because if you've been watching or following Bulacan's games as Manalang hits from the perimeter. Stop. Decides to pass it at the last moment. Turnover. Ibanez goes hard. Ibanez will score.
Good.
Back out. Jello Razon. Rebound to Keith Pido. Pido able to knock down the shot. Manalang goes to Sarao.
Nice cut.
Andre Villanueva. Manalang will look to push. Manalang to the corner. Johnny Villanueva won't settle for the outside shot. Andre Villanueva makes it. Castro instead got it. Working against Jason Celis. Paulo Castro rises from 18. Paulo Castro will score. Extra pass. Ibanez. No. Rebound once again para dito sa Bulacan, and Tristan Hernandez scores. Mentioned that nabasa na ng Paranaque yung tinatakbo ng Bulacan in that second quarter. This time they ran something different.
Yeah, they...
Keith stops, pops, jumper a little bit too strong. Look who has the offensive rebound. John Uduba. It's a tough pass. Hernandez was wide open. Ibanez the getaway for 2.
Well, it's a good thing that Paulo
popping out of that right corner, but they go to Ibanez on the left. Shot clock winding down. Ibanez on an island against Villanueva. Ibanez to bail them out. Castro, one man to beat. Baliktad ang Pectus doon. Yee to the right side. Razon leaves it. Castro gets the 2 points.
That's a more confident.
Thank you so much, Mika. Well, definitely words of wisdom coming from the Aquaman. But, siyempre, kung makakapanalo ka naman, why not, right?
Correct. Tama yun. And those words...
Trouble with that basketball. He says, let's set this up. Pido sees a seam in the defense. Perimeter Che is down and through. Tonight. Carandang having trouble with the basketball. Hubalde, they need this.
Oh, wow.
Paulo Hubalde for 3. Sarao is on him. The tap by Marquis. Hubalde swishes it through. Paulo Hubalde. Castro, a little hesitation. Out to the left side. Keith Pido puts the ball on the deck. Keith Pido, the basket and one. Manalang inside. Manzo, the scoop and the score.
That time around.
Bulacan now trying to break the deadlock. Manzo fakes the 3, goes inside.
Galing.
Nobody home to stop that layup.
Galing.
Dito para sa Parañaque. Arizona almost comes away with a steal. Celis, big basket on that left corner. Uduba goes to Keith Pido. Pido steps back, trains that jumper. What a play by Keith Pido. Pido. Uduba, quick attack, baseline shot, good. 61-60.
He's strong enough to defend against him.
Ibanez finds an opening. Nino Ibanez. Manalang on the left side. Philip will pull up. Jumper is no good. Manzo tried to get it for himself. Razon ends up with it. Jello Razon from 14 feet. Hands it off to Ibanez. Marquis switches out onto him. Oh, good pick and roll defense right there by Parañaque. Razon all the way. 2 points. The Patriots back in the Sierra Spaniards. Marquis hands it off. Razon, quick trigger. A fourth quarter to the corner. Villanueva loves those spots. Kept alive here by Marquis. Push shot. That's money for the living legend. Carandang receives the inbound. Ibanez floats it up and in. That's good. Nino Ibanez.
Bungguan pa with Marquis.
Villanueva now trying to answer. Villanueva also with a difficult shot. Villanueva flares, hits nothing but the side of the backboard, and he gets it back. Villanueva redeems himself right away. Here, he transferred to this squad with aspirations of more time on the floor. He's been getting that a lot. While Carandang answering back with a 3-point shot. These two squads in a highly emotional, highly physical, action-packed ball game. Keith Pido with a big basket off the ceasefire. Pido, 1 minute and 23 remaining. It's with Jello Razon now. Mr. Clutch for Parañaque. Razon once again. Oh my goodness. 1 minute and 13 seconds left in this game. Can the Cuyas still get back? Paulo Hubalde is not finished yet. There a minute to play. Manalang in and out against the defense of Christian Hernandez. Philip Manalang. Hubalde will take it. Too strong, and that's it.